Presenting all-in-one plugin bundle for WooCommerce. Dynamic discounts, product recommendation, product feed manager for WooCommerce, cart lift, Checkoutify, and WPVR. Get this game-changing bundle, each designed to take your store to a new height with a huge 60% discount. Take a look. Limited time, you can get this entire bundle at an unbelievable flat 60% discount. And as a bonus, you'll also receive future WooCommerce add-ons that we release absolutely free. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Grab it now before the offer expires. Transform your WooCommerce store with this amazing all-in-one plugin bundle today.